Before we go to the, we have lunch before we visit. Yeah, 20,000.
A bit like Paris. Ooh. You never do that in England.
The product of the shop over the inside you of them.
Vegas. Yeah. Got off the train. It was like.
Not through the immigration. Down here.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh wow. The spice. Yeah, bamboo spice. This is the typical booby trap.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Booby trap in the old days we created.
Yeah. Should be like this.
Okay. So that the bee could go in and out every day. Could the soldier, the enemy running away, and they run on the trap, attack from the back, from there behind. They never know.
Wow.
A lot of things. All of this from the bomb shell.
Can we bring them in?
Remove everything before opening the bomb. They could shot the bomb to get the metal and the gun.
Lovely. Photo.
Nobody like it.
Oh,
Wow, yeah.
I couldn't grab the whole hog.
Yeah.
That was awful.
You said you were never coming back. I said, sorry, I've got his camera.
That was tight, Ian, wasn't it?
I had to get on my knees and crawl for a hole.
Yeah.
Same side with the other same side.
Right, now I'm going to give it.
Their markings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That as low? Was that as low?
Wow.